What is going on, everybody? In today's video, we are going to be talking about Instagram marketing and how to monetize Instagram with your brand.
Okay, bye!
Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to switch it up from affiliate marketing, ClickBank, Facebook, all that stuff, because I realize I have not really been talking about Instagram. And Instagram is a very important social media platform in my opinion. To me, it's like number 2 behind YouTube to grow a brand and monetize it and get leads for your business and all that type of stuff. But today I wanted to share a story about how I was able to monetize my brand and make 50 bucks. No, I'm not going to become a millionaire with 50 bucks, but hey, that's a good chunk of change for just posting a picture for somebody liking your brand. So I'm going to share that story and how it happened. But first, if you're new to this channel, welcome to this channel. My name is Marissa Romero, and on this channel, what you could expect is all things make money online. I talk about things such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, all things internet marketing. I give tips on Facebook ads, email marketing, you name it. If it helps your online business, I got it, all right? So go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. All right, I apologize. My nose has been kind of congested lately. It's in the past 3 days, so I apologize if I sound a little bit stuffy and seem out of breath. It's because I'm not feeling the greatest, but the content needs to be made for you guys. Okay, so I want to tell you guys a story about what I did today. About a week ago, I got an email from a company called WM Nutrition. They're based out of Salt Lake City, Utah, and they have an Instagram account, and what they are is a health and fitness supplement company. So they have pre-workouts, meal supplements, protein bars, that type of thing. And they emailed me and they said, hey, would you be interested in giving a shout out to our brand and our products, and how much would you charge? And I'm like, you know what? I never really thought about it because I haven't done any paid products on my Instagram. And by the way, if you're not following me yet on Instagram, go check it out. I have a pretty dope profile, if you ask me. It's at Marissa E. Romero. That's 2 S's, 1 R. Marissa E. Romero. I'll put it right here. But go ahead and follow me on Instagram for behind-the-scenes content. So anyways, the manager of this program, or of this company, emailed me, and I'm like, I don't know what I should charge. So I'm like, well, I have an audience of almost 10,000 followers. I'm like, well, I'll just throw a number out there that I thought was reasonable. So I said, hey, what about 50 bucks? And she's like, okay, cool, we're down. So I'll show you the email that she sent me. Here's my Instagram. And I'll show you the email that she sent me. The first one was right here. You know, it was, can we give you a free product and pay you to post if you like? My name is Claire. I represent WM Nutrition. So she sent me this, and I'm like, yeah, that sounds awesome. And then she sent up follow-up emails. They shipped the products to me for free. I received them yesterday, I think, in the mail. And so they shipped the samples. And so next they told me directions for posting and scheduling my Instagram for my shout out posts. So they give you instructions, like you need a nice picture, what your experience was like, and you have to shout them out in your Instagram story, and also to tell them your coupon code. So they also gave me a coupon code right here. Where is it? Marissa 50. So I think that's like a 50% off discount, and I'm scheduled to post this picture in a few days. So I recorded a little video for you guys of how I decided to do the shoot, because one important thing about Instagram is you have to make sure that whatever you post goes with your brand. Now, if you ask me, the only way to grow your Instagram nowadays is with a clear niche of what you're targeting for, and make sure your pictures are congruent. Like, you can't, if you see my pictures, you see it's, you know, lifestyle, it's travel. I try to take the most beautiful pictures I can to show what I enjoy doing. So once my you know, earlier this year, I think I was only at like 2,000 followers, and I started using automation, and I also started to change my niche around to be specific to just outdoors, lifestyle, beautiful pictures. And so once I started to do that combination, of automation and also outdoor, and it was congruent, I started to get a lot of followers. And now I'll probably hit 10,000 followers within the next month. So my advice to you is, if you're trying to grow your Instagram and get a big following, do not post a selfie with a meme, with a group photo at the gym, with random things, because the more random it is, the less people want to follow you, because Instagram is all about images and the look and feel of how a visitor feels when they come to your page. Okay, so that's very, very important. Pick one or two aspects about your life, highlight them, and I'll show you more examples later. But now I wanted to switch to a video that I did earlier today to show you guys how I was able to incorporate, let's look at their page really quick, how I was able to incorporate a picture of me with this product that'll match both my brand on my page and also this company's page right here. So they have 14.1K followers, and they have a lot of models of people modeling their supplements. So I'm like, okay, cool. How can I make it a win-win for both pages? So this person right here, this girl, I actually liked her post a lot, and I'm like, okay, well, let me model a little bit after her. So I took this photo, and I'll show the clip right now of how it went.
And back to my story. This is the product that this company, WM Nutrition, wanted me to promote on my page. And so what I did, I'll show you real quick. What I did was I just put on a nice workout shirt, because I had on a dress shirt earlier, and they told me, you know, model one of the products. So we got green apple, we got different flavors of pre-workout, all natural protein. In here is, oh, this is a sleeping supplement. I'll probably take this and use it tonight. Advantra Slim. I think this is a meal replacement type of supplement right here. So really, I just like came and found a nice background in here, and then just, you know, acted like, or I did actually, I just took a pre-workout and took a video of it, or a picture of it. And so I'll submit that as my shout out photo, and then I will be doing an Instagram story for this company and giving my followers a discount code. So if they want to go ahead and try out one of these supplements, they get a discount code if they use, go through my page and use the % off.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip. Now I wanted to show you guys examples of really awesome branding that I love, both bigger accounts and smaller accounts, so you guys can get the idea of what I mean. So this page is called the Avocado Factory. It's actually a restaurant in Bali, Indonesia, and I ate here, and I love the vibes of the restaurant, and I looked at their Instagram, and I'm like, whoa, their branding is dope. And as you can see, the pictures are congruent. So they have pictures of food, they have pictures of customers, employees, but as you can see, it's all the pictures and the whitewash and the colors of all of them, they all have the same like ambiance, they all have the same color. And that's why this page works so well and why they have a big following, is because it looks really, really, really pleasing to the eye. So if, you know, like if this kid is posing with this coconut and you can see the rice patties in the background, which is congruent to a green juice drink, which is congruent to all the avocados they show. So it seems like they try to incorporate a lot of greens, a lot of whites, a lot of brightness in their photos. And so this looks very, very nice. Here's another example of a guy I met in Phuket, Thailand. His name's James Moody. And although his following isn't very large, like he only has 817 followers, his brand is consistent. He teaches people how to build a remote business where you're an online fitness coach. So his brand is called like the Remote Revolution. That's his podcast. And, you know, he's very congruent. Like he has pictures of himself. He has different pictures of people he hosts. However, his message is clear like right away. You kind of get the vibe of what he's doing. And his branding is consistent as well. So he has, on his videos, he has the upper and lower banners with the blue and the white, so it looks really nice. And you know, it's just a really good feeling when you come to his page. You're like, okay, cool. Like I'm confident. Like I could probably start an online business as a fitness coach and that type of thing. Another one, kind of in my niche, is an online entrepreneur. She's basically the owner of an Instagram growth agency. So she helps all kinds of brands and companies grow their Instagram. But you know, she says in the beginning she was posting all kinds of random stuff on her Instagram, but until it started to be nice and kind of one message, and her kind of traveling around the world and working remote, is when she started to get a much bigger audience. So, you know, she travels around the world, and so she'll show herself around the world, and also in her bios and in her captions, she'll kind of give tips and advice on Instagram growth and travel and that type of thing. So if we go to another Instagram page, this is the biggest one of the examples I'm going to show. This girl, she has a huge YouTube as well. She goes by Highcarb Hannah, and she is in the vegan health niche, and her page is all about, you know, vegan recipes, her outdoor lifestyle, fitness, that type of thing. And so you can see why her page has grown a lot, because it's a very good brand. I mean, she gives a ton of value. She has really nice pictures. It looks great. She shows lifestyle. She shows health. And so she has a pretty big tribe in the vegan niche, and that's why it works. So a couple more tips is, one thing I notice about really large Instagram followings is that they have a very nice and simple bio. So you can't tell because this isn't on my mobile, but all of these headlines right here: online marketer, digital nomad, CrossFitter, YouTuber, these are all vertically aligned when you change it to mobile. So it's really nice. They're all on one line, so it's very easy on the eye to read. And then I have a call to action right here: learn to do what I do. And this goes to my affiliate marketing course if people are interested. The other thing you can do is to start monetizing your Instagram when your brand is create story highlights with very nice cover photos. This is kind of like free advertising when people come across your page, because you get to show them what it is you're about. So I have travel, I have my YouTube channel stuff, I have Thailand, Bali, my fitness, and all that type of thing just right there, ready for people to watch. Also, IGTV is coming out, and it's going to be a very good asset to your to your Instagram profile. So make sure you kind of utilize this as well, because these are longer videos that you can have every Monday. I do a series called Make Money Monday, and I give advice on how to make money both online and offline, so people can have ideas on how to start a side hustle and whatever it is. So all the Make Money Mondays are going to go on my IGTV, and I will of course shout them out in my stories, okay? One last thing I wanted to mention about the branding of your Instagram is, of course, you got to make sure your hashtags are on point. Instagram allows you to use 30 hashtags, and you want to use every single one of them, because I don't care what people say, hashtags are dead. They're not dead. They help you with exposure, and you really want to still use hashtags and pick the top 3 things that your brand encompasses. You know, you can use different, like if you're in the fitness niche and you do lifestyle, you know, you could use stuff like IG fitness and those type of hashtags. So of course I have travel type hashtags, entrepreneurship, working remote, Bali, that type of thing. So one last thing I wanted to recommend, and I'm not even an affiliate of this company. However, I have seen tremendous growth with people using this automation. It's called STIM Social, STIMsocial.com. If you guys go and sign up, they have a 5-day free trial, and after that, the management program or service is $100 a month, but it is worth it. I have a friend in Bali. She goes by Danielle Thompson. When I first met her a couple months ago, she had a following of 23,000 followers. Now she has 32,000 followers. She uses STEM Social, and her channel is growing beautifully. She doesn't even have to post that much. So I have a person who does something similar like this for me right now. So, you know, if I no longer continue service with him, I will be switching to STEM Social because his service pretty much does the same thing. But that is one thing I recommend if you're serious about growing your brand online. But again, automation can't work if you're not congruent with your pictures and the look and feel of your page, your bio, your hashtags, your highlights. Already? So guys, I hope this is really helpful for you and you got a lot out of this. Let me know if you have any questions about Instagram growth in the comments. And if you guys are interested in growing an affiliate marketing business and making a side income to making a full-time income online, go ahead and check out the first link in my description. I also have a free video series, a free course where I talk about building an online business from scratch. It's everything you need to know as a beginner. Goes through everything from A to Z. So go ahead and check that out. It'll be the second link in the description. Again, I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you're ready to now grow your Instagram. And I will see you guys on the next video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's Marissa Romero. Talk to you later.